Today I am going to discuss chapter 2 in economics. The topic is unemployment. Unemployment is a raging problem today. It is the most acute problem facing the people of India. Unemployment is a situation in which a section of people who are able and willing to work but do not find gainful work is called unemployment. Unemployment exists when people are willing to work at the prevailing wages, going wages, but cannot find jobs. The workers includes people from the age of 15 years to 59 years, children and elderly people who are above 60 years are not included, as well as housewives who only work for their families. These people will not be included as unemployed. In India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. However, the nature of employment differs in rural and urban areas. In case of rural areas, underemployment or disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment are the major types, while in the urban areas, structural or educated unemployment exists. Seasonal unemployment. This happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Because in India, more than half our population depend upon agriculture for their livelihood, and agriculture is dependent on the monsoon, and so agriculture is a seasonal work in India. There are certain busy seasons when sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing are done, while certain months do not provide work for the labor force. So this type of unemployment is called seasonal unemployment. Second type of unemployment which is prevalent in the rural areas is disguised or underemployment. In this employment, all the people appear to be employed, but the work requires less number of persons, and so the unemployment is disguised. This is typical for the small farmer, where entire family is working on the field, although all may not be required to do work. If some labor force is taken away from these works, the production of agriculture will not suffer. In the absence of supplementary sources of employment, if an agricultural worker or farmer remains out of work in the lean season of the year, he or she may be known as disguised unemployment. So these two types of unemployment is prevalent in the rural area. While in the urban areas, educated unemployment or structural unemployment exists. In urban centers, educated unemployment is a common feature. Many youth with matriculation, graduation, post-graduation, engineering and medical degrees are not able to find job. According to a study, the unemployment of highly educated persons has increased faster than matriculates in India. A paradoxical manpower situation is witnessed as surplus of manpower in certain categories coexist with shortage of manpower. A structural unemployment is due to the absence of a crunch of resources or capital, and so the nation state is unable to provide jobs to all the educated or skilled persons. It is a common feature of many developing nations. The main villain for unemployment in India is population. Population growth, rapid population growth is the main villain. When the number of people increases in a country much faster than the increase in employment opportunities, this is what has happening in India. The population of India is increasing at an alarming rate, but the employment opportunities have not increased to that extent due to slow growth of economy. The rapid population growth has created an army of labor force. Since the pressure of population on primary sector is already very high, the responsibility of creating jobs lies with the secondary and tertiary sectors. Effective and meaningful measures to control population are required. This needs to be accompanied by creation of necessary conditions for employment opportunities, particularly in rural areas. So these three types of unemployment I have discussed: seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment in rural areas, and educated unemployment in urban areas. There are also two types of employment which is not in your syllabus. That is cyclical unemployment, which is prevailing in the corona crisis period now in India. Those who were in employment are now rendered unemployed. In the next class, I shall discuss effects of unemployment. Thank you.